Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen Jen.
And we're back today, and we are in Jen Jen's kitchen again, and everybody's been asking about crock-pot recipes lately.
Yes.
Because it's the fall time of the year and everything, and so today we got one that's beef tips and mushroom gravy.
Yes.
Awesome.
Beef tips and mushroom gravy. And, you know, it's very simple. If you've got, you know, a lot going on in your life, you can just put it in the crock pot in the morning and then just walk away,
That's
get
what
it
I like about
started.
crock-pot.
It's pretty much ready to go when you come home. So
That's what I like about crock-pots. Just put it in there, leave it.
yeah, and especially if you have those crock pots that'll just automatically turn over to warm. That's awesome because you don't have to worry about it. It's still hot when you get home from work. And you know, and what's good, you can do this with rice, or you could do it with creamed potatoes. Now she's got me saying creamed potatoes. I used to say mashed potatoes, and now the southern girl over here's got me saying creamed potatoes.
Well, creamed taters.
Creamed taters,
Creamed
yes.
taters.
So anyway, but you could do this with noodles or whatever your family likes. But we've got stew meat here, a pound of stew meat, and you could buy stew meat or that's already chopped up like this, or you can, if you've got some beef that you like or sirloin tips or whatever that you like, you can chop them up and do them yourself. I just like to buy the stew meat and have it ready to go. It makes it easy for me, so quicker. So we're gonna put that in the crock pot dish here, and then you can break those up a little bit because they're kind of stuck together.
Are they ever?
And then once you've got that in there, you're gonna take a can of cream of mushroom soup and just open that up. I got one of those easy openers there. And we're just gonna scoop that right on out over the top of that.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is gonna be thick without a little bit of water. And so what I do is I just take this can and fill this up with a little bit of water and just get the remnants out of the can and pour it in there. Now, you might want a little bit more. If it gets a little too thick, you could add a little bit more water, or you could add beef broth. Whatever you like. Some of the other flavoring I have here will be enough beef broth, but you might like a little bit more, so you can do both. So I've got a little bit of water in here that'll kind of help get some of this out of the can, and I'm just gonna pour that in, because you're gonna need a little bit of water or beef broth. So when you add your brown gravy mix, and any brown gravy mix, you can add in there. My mom used to do this with a golden mushroom, but if you can't find golden mushroom in a can, you can just use the brown gravy mix. And then we also use the beefy onion Lipton soup mix. And you know, this is the stuff that you make meatloaf with and some of your dips and things, and it's great. And there's usually 2 packages to a box. You only need 1 package because we're only doing 1 pound of meat. Now you can double this recipe. But we're just going to sprinkle that in, and you can double everything if you have a big family, or if there's just a couple of you, then you could just do the 1 pound of meat like we're doing here today. And then I add just a little bit of Worcestershire, Sheila's favorite word.
That's yours.
I'm just going to add just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon, probably be plenty. And last, we're going to add some mushrooms. We're going to just put all that in there, mix it up together. We're going to put this in the crock pot, and you can put this on low and leave it on all day long. You know, if you're gone at work 8 hours, it's okay. 6 to 8 hours on low, and let it switch over to warm if you've got a programmable crock pot. And that's pretty much it, and it'll be ready. So we're going to put this in, and we'll be back to show you what it tastes like.
Yes, I like my job.
She's over there stirring away. Sheila likes her job.
I love this cooking show.
I know. All right, we'll be back.
Hi, we're back, and this has been on all day.
Oh gosh, it smells so good.
It's really good. Put this on over here, and then take
So now we've got some rice, and this is just 90-second rice that you can buy and put in the microwave and have ready to go, and some instant mashed potatoes, cream potatoes as Sheila would call them, cream taters.
Cream taters.
And these are just instant as well. If you want to go ahead and boil potatoes, you can, but we're going to try and make this simple and easy, and easy for you to make for your family. So we're going to scoop some of that on the rice here.
Okay.
add some gravy to it. Doesn't that look really good?
Look at that.
My mom used to make this, and my dad and I were just like, all right, that looks good. Let's put some on the mashed taters.
Ooh, mashed taters.
Mashed taters.
Mashed taters. Here we come.
And you could do this on noodles or whatever. And it's got mushrooms and beef, and doesn't that look good? And then you can salt and pepper this. Now there's quite a bit of seasoning from the packets of gravy that we put in there, and so you really don't need to. You could add a little pepper if you'd like, but it looks just absolutely delicious. In fact, I'm gonna take a picture of this and show you. All right, I'm gonna try it with the potatoes, and you try it with the rice.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Really good with rice.
It's really good with potatoes. We're like, we'll see you guys later. We're gonna go finish eating this. Hey, you wanna try this?
Yeah.
Here, I'll swap you.
Swap.
Try some potatoes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Oh yeah, that's good too.
It's real tender.
Very tender. It's amazing, and that's just regular stew meat. So you know you don't have to do a lot of prep with that, and you know you could just buy the stew meat already chopped up, ready to go, and make it simple for dinner. So thanks again for watching us eat. Thanks again for watching us eat, because that's what we like to do.
Not only do we cook it,
Not only do we cook it, but we like to eat it. So yeah. Anyway, but thanks again for liking and sharing and
subscribing,
and don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter,
and Instagram, and visit us at shotgunred.com. Submit your recipe, pick up a doll, some DVDs.
As Steve would say, if this is not the best,
Crock-pot beef tips in mushroom gravy. If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Here, you want some of this?
Yeah, I want. Yeah, give me some more of that too.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Come on. What? Okay. We're gonna go eat now.
Let's go.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.